letters. 1, 2, 3. D, E, F. Clap your hands and sing again. Letters make a happy chain. G, H, I. Wave your hands up to the sky. Say the letters, don't be shy. J, K, L. Ring the bell, it sounds so sweet. Learning letters can't be beat. M, N, O. Here we go, nice and slow. Letters help our minds to grow. P, Q, R. Shining bright, just like a star. Sing the letters near and far. S, T, U. Me and you, we're learning too. Letters make it fun to do. V, W, X. Next we go. What comes next? Learning letters is the best. Y and Z. Now we're done. Sing with glee. That's the alphabet with me. 1, 2, 3.